Architecture is more than just designing buildings. It's about shaping spaces that inspire, sustain, and tell stories. At Sri Sri University's Faculty of Architecture, we believe in nurturing architects who not only build but transform how we live, work, and interact with the world. Our curriculum is a unique blend of artistic expression, technical expertise, and sustainability. From foundational principles of design to advanced urban planning and green architecture, our programs are built to foster creativity while addressing the challenges of tomorrow.
In Faculty of Architecture, we are offering BArch, Bachelor of Architecture, which is a 5-year program, and BID, Bachelor of Interior Designing, which is a 4-year program. This program features student-centric curriculum that emphasizes on experiential learning through site visits, study tours, documentation, and hands-on workshops that enable the student to become an industry-ready architect.
At SSU, Bachelor of Architecture degree, here is about nurturing you to become conscious citizens who revere nature and honor Mother Earth.
Our focus has always been on experiential learning and a holistic interdisciplinary curriculum that develops ecologically sensitive, ethical and professional building practitioners.
Here, we go beyond syllabus to teach our students with simulation softwares like Edge and Ecotect for climate responsive architecture and sustainability.
Here we have a dedicated team of highly qualified faculty members from various backgrounds who bring rich academics and professional experience into the classrooms.
With mentorship from leading architects and exposure to the latest technology, our students are prepared to innovate and lead in a rapidly changing world.
At here, I have learned creativity, functionality, and human comfort teaches us how to create a sustainable environment.
Our faculties are so well versed in their field that they have taught us how to deal with on-field challenges like a pro.
We learn through studio works, discussions, case studies, and site visits, which make me think more accurately and creatively.
The Faculty of Architecture at Sri Sri University is where vision meets skill. It's where future architects learn not just to design structures, but to create spaces that inspire. If you're ready to shape the skylines of tomorrow, this is where your journey begins.